not good at pictures.
I remember when my mother told me the best things, they don't come easy. I had no idea how real that was.
Welcome, everyone. I hope you're enjoying the sunshine. I see a lot of sunglasses out there.
All be worth it one day.
So today we're here to witness Josh and Emily becoming one. You guys are no longer individual contributors. You're now a team.
I can't believe.
You ready for this?
Seems a little late now.
And I'm on my way.
Oh my God, I'm gonna die.
Emily and Josh, if you look around the room, you have so many friends and family that have traveled from all over the place to celebrate with you both. It's going to be a fun night.
I'm on my way.
All that after. You look so pretty.
She has a huge heart. She has a huge focus on what she does or success. She has a huge heart for her family. She's very focused on her family. You're beautiful, honey.
Thank you.
And she has a focus of making sure she spoils other people's children.
Why are you the most
So the one thing that you always want for your children was the best for them. I'm convinced after watching this process that Emily is the best for him.
There are two people that I know Emily would love to hear from today. These people are the heart of our family, those that made us all who we are and created the memories we share, our mama and papa. If you know Emily, family is everything to her, and those who are not with us today are a loss that is significantly felt. And so, today my advice to you comes from the note Mama and Papa wrote to me on my wedding day. May your love for each other grow in God's love. Happiness always.
Scott? She will not eat that.
God places people in your life that change your life, and sometimes they don't even realize it.
Start crying. Oh yeah, you're done.
In this instance, it's my brother, and happens to be my best friend. From the time I remember, I was never the younger brother. I was just always one of the boys.
Emily, I just want to say thank you. You have helped me in ways that are undescribable.
Josh, thank you for being the best thing to ever happen to me. You're my person. I'm so lucky to have the honor of marrying you.
You now and forever will be my person.
You're my best friend. We've been through hell and back.
We have been through so much together, but at the end of the day, it's always me and you against the world.
Take care of that. Emily, when we first met, I was in a bad spot. I was kind of broken and had a lot of stuff going on. And I met you and you gave me hope. You changed me. You brought me back to normal. You are now and forever will be my person.
So this was your idea because you wanted us to write our own vowels.
Yes, I struggle with spelling.
You are my person, and every day you make me want to be better. But I love you in the good and the bad, and I would always pick you even on our worst days.
There's one main thing that he's taught me, that life's tough and you gotta wear a helmet. And man, for you, it hasn't been easy at all, dude. But in everything that you have gone through, you wake up every single day and you leave no doubt. Emily, this is why I know that in this life, for you guys together, that no matter how tough things get, Josh will always work to make things better. I can promise you that you are marrying the furthest thing from a quitter.
By virtue of the authority vested in us under the laws of the state of Florida, we now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Don't sweat the small stuff. What may seem like a big issue when it happens, 24 hours later tends to be just a minor inconvenience.
I'm going to say happiness a lot, so for those of you who want to make it a drinking game, please do. I wish you happiness in everything you do. Happiness in the little things and in the big things. When marriage is hard, I hope you remember that you chose each other because you bring each other happiness. It is sometimes that simple.
Put your head on my shoulder, you're safe now. When the rain comes, we'll head for the high ground. If the stars watching over.
The one thing that we have learned through our lives is you always make sure that you enjoy the time you have with your kids. Doesn't matter how old they are, how young they are, but every moment you have with them is special. We don't always think it is.
You love her family, I think, like your own, and you make her laugh every day. As sisters, that's all we could hope for, so thank you. We're going to leave you with one final piece of advice, and it's to have forgiveness. Josh, forgive Emily when you see her late night Uber Eats bills. And Emily, forgive Josh for being the favorite among the kids. It's not his fault.
My prayers have been answered, and my wife's prayers have been answered because Joshua and Emily are now one, and I believe that their future is extremely bright.
I couldn't be more excited to call you my sister now, and I love you both and can't wait to see what the future has to hold. Now everybody lift their drinks and let's cheers these two.
Do not look down. His pants are 100% ripped. Do not look down.
We can head for the sun, it will always guide you home. Put your hand in my hand, darling, say go. All I need are your eyes, you're my arrow.
You make each other happy. Fight for that. It is all that matters.
I didn't cry that much. I'm trying really hard.